Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thanks for joining me. This is the third video that we are doing for gardener giveaways. So you're going to see that promotion up there, and that's good stuff, meaning that we've got some goodies to share with you. So we have done 2 videos now on hand scrubs, and before we talk about today's video, I want to announce the winners from the first video. The first video that we did was for Bella and Bear, and it is an organic scrub. 12 names are being drawn for that drawing. I'm going to pop those names up on the screen for you, and I'm going to read them real quick. And please forgive me if I mispronounce people's names. Charlene Skalmusky, Charlie Baby, Penny Dominicki, Paula Cothran, Brandy Williams, The Lady, Janine Newby, Laura Sharp, Jessica X, Monique Ruiz, Shelly Johnson, AMM786. So thank you everybody that commented. Let's go ahead and get to our video today. This is going to be a short one because you guys should know now about the American Rose Society. I did a video for you back in the summer. I'll pop it up here so that you can take a quick look at it. My favorite gift that I ever got for my husband, because it was such a surprise, was a membership to the American Rose Society. I just wasn't expecting it, and it was such a wonderful surprise. Once I became a member, I thought, why in the world have I not been a member all these years? And the thing that reminds me every single time is when I buy a rose and then I get that discount. I'm like, how many years have I been buying roses and not getting this discount because I didn't know about ARS? So please take a look at all of the benefits. I'm going to pop them up real quick here for you on the screen. You have the opportunity to just do a trial membership. If you want to test it out for 4 months and see if you like it, you immediately get benefits available to you from, the consulting rosarians, that discount that I was just telling you about for ordering roses from select vendors. You also have available to you botanical gardens. Some of the botanical gardens offer discounted membership or even free membership. That would be awesome, I think, even here during the winter when you're looking for something to do. Maybe some of them have a Christmas display that you'd be able to use that membership for, and then definitely in the spring. Go check it out. In Richmond, we have a tea house there, so you can have lunch. They've got a beautiful rose garden. They have butterflies. You've got the magazines. This magazine is so beautiful. You get 6 of these if you have the annual membership. If you do the trial membership for 4 months, you get 2. And it is just packed full of information, and I'm always learning something new about, in this case, Delbard roses. Was a spotlight, and I had no idea that they had a painter's collection. And so you're always going to get a little bit of education. You also get with your membership a how to select a rose. And so in here, they're going to have all of the roses for 2022 with their ranking next to it. And speaking of rankings, I just participated, I think it was last month. ARS reached out and asked all of the members to rank the roses that they were familiar with in their yard. And so that was something fun that I got to participate in. And I'm still learning. I've been gardening for 30 years now, and I am still learning every day. And so when I see a communication from the ARS, I dig in and look at it and either validate something that I knew, or I am learning something new, and it's great. So I would implore you to consider, if you're on social media, make sure that you're liking ARS, because you'll get all kinds of communication through there. And then what I want to do is have everybody take a look at the American Rose Society page. And for this giveaway, to enter, you're going to comment below, and I'd like you to share with everyone in your post just something that you found useful about the page, whether it was finding out what your local area is. If I wanted to participate, where is my local district? What's it called? So check that out. Comment down below something that you found out by looking at the website. The American Rose Society would like to share 10 trial memberships and 1 annual membership. In the event that you already have a membership, this is just going to roll it over to the next year for you. Or if you already are an annual member and you'd like to gift that membership to somebody else, that'll allow you to share your love of roses with someone else. In tomorrow's video, we're going to spotlight another vendor, and we'll also do the drawing for the Pure Scrubs video that we did yesterday. So thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.